Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use AnimatedSprite2D in Godot game engine. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'll just create one parent scene. So here I'll go to 2D scene, I'll name it as game. Okay, I'll just do Command S to save it. Okay, then I'll just run this. I'll select the starting scene so that our game starts running. Then I'll create a new scene again over here. I'll click on this plus button, and here I'll just search for character body 2D because typically you will have some kind of a character for which you are trying to create a animated sprite. Then here I'll just add an animated sprite 2D. So something like this. Now I won't go into the collision shape. I think if you see over here, this node has no shape, so it can't be collide. This is mostly about animated sprite 2D, so that's what I'm concentrating on. Then if you click on this animation, go to sprite frames, and here you will have to click on this new sprite frames option. Then click on this sprite frames as well, and here you can name it whatever you feel like. So I want to name it as fly. Okay, and I'll just drag and drop my animated sprites over here. Okay, sorry, not like this. I'll just delete it. Sorry about this. I'll just command delete. Okay, you will have to open this particular option, add frames. Okay, then here you will have to select this plane sheet, click on open, and here you have to click on first select all. Now here you can see it is not splitting it correctly. I only have 3 images. Now for my brain at least, it becomes very confusing. Like typically what I assume is that there is one thing inside a row and there are 3 on vertical side. So that's what, but it doesn't work it like that way. So suppose if I do 1 on horizontal side and 3 on vertical side. Okay, so here you can see it is splitting it in the wrong way. I'm not sure if you guys can see this lines over here. I'm not maybe you can zoom in like this. Here you can see it is not correct. So what it says is it is 3 on the horizontal side and 1 on the vertical side, and now you can see it is splitting up correctly. Now be careful that some of the sprite, whenever you are using, they might have some space in between them. So if you want to offset it, here you can see you can use it like this. So I don't want to offset it because it by default the sprites were correct. Here you can see if I try to offset it, this part gets cut off this particular image, then this part gets cut off this particular image. So I don't want it to get cut. I'll just keep it as 0. Now everything is fine. So you can play around with this separation and offset value as well as the size value if it's not able to detect it correctly. Just click on select all, and then here you can see now it is showing the proper frames to us. Now I'll click on add 3 frames. Now again I'll just quickly save this, command as character body 2D, and here again you can play with this frame duration as well. I will just zoom in a little bit, and here you can see if you want you can just make it as 5. Okay, make it as autoplay so that it autoplays, and here as you can see it has already enabled looping as well. So you can play with the frame duration as well, or as well as the frame per second. It's up to you. Now just to quickly see it, you can just click on this, sorry, not this one, this one. Here you can see it is very slow. So let's try making this as 1. Okay, so this is now pretty good, and maybe change this as 10. So here you can see now it is moving pretty fast. Command S to save it. If you want you can add a collision shape as well to this. Now inside the game I can just add this particular character body as well over here, and now if I try to run it, it will automatically okay, I'll have to move this little bit slightly over here, something like this. Now if I try to run it, here you can see it is automatically doing the animation for us with the help of sprites. So yeah, that's why we use this animated sprite 2D. Yeah, make sure you add some collision as well if you feel like to this particular thing, if it is trying to collide with some other thing as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.